Hello and welcome back to the Trading Bots YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to sign up for NovaClick with early access code. I'll show you start to finish how to set it up, how to use the best tips and tricks and start trading and start making money. So just follow along the video and let's get started. So firstly, you want to go to the link in the description, which is tradingbots.net, this one right here. Once you do that, this is what the website is going to look like. You're going to scroll down and you're going to find NovaClick. After you find that, you're going to click over here. It'll take you to this page right here. You're going to go to join now. Once you do that, it's going to load up and it's going to take you to this page. So what you can do, if you already have a Telegram desktop, it'll give you this prompt. If you don't, you can always just start bot as well. Preferably have Telegram open in the background like I do over here. And the Telegram desktop definitely makes it easier, so have that preferably. So once you're going to open Telegram desktop, it's going to take you to the Nova bot, and it's going to have a prompt. It's going to have a prompt somewhere here. It's going to say start. Once you do that, it'll tell you that your access code has been redeemed and you are officially inside. After that, you're going to press continue and you're going to find this button that says start. If you don't find it, you can just go to menu. You'll find it here, or you can always just press /start as well, and that'll work too. After that, you'll have an option to open menu. Once you do that, this is what it is going to look like. Oh, also, before this, it's going to give you a private link. So you want to copy that and you want to paste it somewhere. For example, like I have pasted it here in my notepad. This is the key and this is the Solana wallet address. So you want to keep this safe. This is essentially your password. So you don't want to lose that, and definitely keep it safe. Don't share it with anyone. If you lose it, you will lose access. So please be careful about that. So now for the best setup, just follow along these settings. After you're inside the menu, you want to go to settings. After that, you want to go to the fee. So I let it stay on these values. You can obviously change it according to yourself, but I find that these are fine. So let's go back. After that, let's go to slippage. And in slippage, we're going to set the slippage by slippage at about 25. Okay. And we're going to set the sell slippage at 30. There we go. The buy slippage has been set at 25 and the sell slippage has been set at 30. From my experience, I think that I never really needed to have a high slippage. A low slippage does work for me. So now let's get back to settings. So when it comes to the MEV protect, you can turn this off if you want faster transactions, but keep in mind that you can get MEV'd because of it. So now let's go to the presets. So there's sniper, there's copy trade, and there are limit orders. Let's go to the limit orders first. So for limit order preset, you can increase the fees. So for example, if you were setting limit order preset, you could increase the slippage so that it would go through 100%. Let's go back to sniper now. So presets and sniper. So you can see the slippage is at 100%, this is 100%, and this is also 100%. I would say that this is fine. You can let these as it is. You can turn these off if you care about speed, but it is a little risky. So I'm going to turn them on. That's it. Oh yeah, you also want to set the wallet. There we go. Wallet has been set. Go back. So presets, copy trade. So you want to keep these as it is as well. Now let's go towards auto buy. So how auto buy works is that you can add rules, and when your contract finishes, it buys instantly. So this is definitely very interesting. So let's add a rule here. It says, please enter the minimum market cap value. You can enter values like 5K, 100K, 1 million, etc. Let's maybe set it at 5K. There we go. Then let's enter 50K. Now it's telling us to enter the buy amount value. So let's say you have like maybe 10 Sol in your wallet. So you can, if you want to play it risky, you could probably write 0.5 here. So you've got your TP and SL here. So new take profit level and new stop loss level. So let's set the new take profit level. So let's say the coin pumps at 100% and you want to take out your initial. That's what you're going to do. This will actually make your trade risk-free. So I actually recommend these settings. So now comes to the stop loss level. So personally, I don't use these, but for the purpose of the video, I'll show you an example. So for the stop loss level, we're going to take 50 and we're going to do 100. All right, this is done. What this will do is basically that when your coin goes down by 50%, it'll take out all your money. So let's go back now. So yeah, we're done with the TP and SL settings. We added our rule. We set this at between 5K and 50K, 0.5 Sol. So all of that is done. Now you can enable this. It has been enabled. It's giving you the green light. So now when you're going to paste your contract, it'll instantly go through. I'll give you an example as well. Let's delete the rule number 1. Now we go to add rule. So let's set this at 5K, then 50K, and let's put here 0.05 just for the sake of the video. That's done and it is enabled. Now all you got to do is find a token. So let's go to BullX NEO. So as we have already discussed how to access BullX NEO, you can look at one of our old videos where I explained how you can get access to BullX NEO. So let's say if we wanted this token, we'll copy the token address and we'll paste it right here in Telegram. So yeah, as you can see, that was pretty instant. Why it didn't go through right now is because my wallet isn't loaded at this moment, but it will instantly go through and you will have bought it very instantly. Other than that, you can wait. Then you can then wait for your sell settings, your presets, and yeah, you can proceed accordingly. So if you wanted to be fully out, you could do that by choosing the sell preset option that it's going to give you here. So just to recap, you added a rule. This was 5K to 50K. This we set at 0.05 Sol, and we even set the TP and SLs. We added rules. We selected our wallet, and that was pretty much it. We went to BullX NEO. We copied the token that we wanted to buy, and we pasted it here, and we pressed enter, and it goes through instantly. Why it didn't go through right now is because my wallet isn't loaded. Otherwise, it will be instant, and I don't think there's any other bot that can do it as instantly as Nova can. So do keep that in mind. Now let's go back and see if everything's been covered. This is done. Everything's done here. We've done the slippage. We've gone through the fees, MEF protect, presets, auto buy. Yeah. So lastly, let's go to wallets. So you can change your default wallet here. You can create a new wallet that Nova can do it for you. You can import a wallet. If you already have a wallet somewhere else, you can import it here. You can delete your wallets. You can rename your wallets. You can even export your private key, the one that you get. So let's say you wanted to export your wallet to Phantom, you could then do it through this way. And yeah, about the security pin setup. So you can set this up to be extra safe. So if anyone had access to your system, if anyone were to get into your account, they won't be able to perform any kind of transactions because it's going to ask for a PIN. So if you had like maybe your brother, your sister, anyone like snooping around in your stuff, so they won't be able to perform transactions because it's going to ask for a PIN. So yeah, I think that pretty much covers everything. From start to finish, we have pretty much covered everything. Yep, just double checking right here. Yes, that is pretty much it. So I'm gonna end this video by saying that it might be a little tricky to understand at first, but with time as you go on, it does get easier. And I know it can get a little overwhelming at first, but the more time you spend on it, the more used to you're going to get, and eventually it'll be on your fingertips, and you'll be an expert in no time. So just like I say in every video of mine, don't try to rush anything. Keep things slow. You have all the time in the world. Take your time, go slow, no need to rush it, and you'll be good. So yeah, that was pretty much it. I covered everything about NovaClick, and I hope you guys understood. I hope you had a good time, and I hope you have a good experience in trying this out on your own. So keep in mind, it's difficult to understand at first, but it gets easier. And don't worry, I am here to help you out. If you have any questions, any queries, something you don't understand, we're here. Just leave a comment and I'll be sure to reply. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And also, don't forget that in order to get access to any bot, be it BullX NEO or Nova or any other, there's a link in the description, tradingbots.net. That's where you go, and that's all you need to do. So I'll see you in the next one.